made the kids take more real ownership of the dealership and the responsibility. Not that they wouldn't have, but I think the formal process was very helpful. And I wouldn't have done it that way. I just didn't have the knowledge and experience to be able to do that. And with y'all coming in, putting a formality to it on what we needed to do and being disciplined and every quarter being here, or maybe it was every other month at the start, I can't remember. And but it's really helped us. I mean, it's been invaluable that what we've done and all our stuff. You know, we had a lot of stuff done with Ford already, but we've kept that in mind on everything that we were doing. And you know, we had another dealership, and kind of going through this process helped us decide it was not. We probably should have never bought it, but we got rid of it. We kept it 5 years and got rid of it, and it was a good decision to get rid of it. And I think our processes that we put in place with y'all allowed us to do that and sell it, come out fine on it, and concentrate here. And all of a sudden, we made more profit here than we'd have ever made, even considering the other one. If it was doing what we thought, we were making more with one, and just had that to look over, and are growing this organically, and came through those decisions by our quarterly board meetings and thinking about stuff more strategically than what we did before. Because I'm more of a gut guy, and it gets you in, make some good decisions and a lot of bad.